Hey everybody, it's been a while. How are you guys? On this video, I want to show you 2 quick tips that you can use today to make your Facebook ads better. Hey everybody, Hernan Vazquez here. Welcome to another video. It's been a while actually since I've made a video, and I'm super excited to be here with you guys and sharing a little bit of what has been happening over the past couple of months with Facebook ads, because it's been a while. And in Facebook ads, if you stop making an update every 2 weeks, it happens, in Facebook ads years, it's like a million years. It's like dog years, but times a million. So now I want to share with you guys 2 quick tips to make your Facebook advertising better so you can actually take your ads to the next level. Now, with that being said, I wanted to invite you guys to the free Facebook group that we have. It's called Digital Marketing Strategies for Entrepreneurs, and there's going to be a link somewhere around here so that you can come join, ask questions, help others. It's pretty cool. We have free templates. We have a lot of good stuff in there. So go ahead and join by clicking the link somewhere around here. Now, with that being said, let's talk a little bit about Facebook ads for 2019 and 2020. I'm recording this video in December, almost Christmas, oh my God. And I'm recording this right now, and Facebook has been really heavily updating the platform. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you have seen it, but every time I log in, every week I log in, and every day that I log in, there's something new happening on Facebook. So it's kind of easier to get yourself lost in the weeds and all that stuff when it comes to Facebook ads. But here are 2 quick, real simple tips that you can use today to actually increase the effectiveness of your advertising. Tip number 1, start using lookalike audiences. Now, for those of you that do not know what a lookalike audience is basically if you have a list of subscribers or a list of past purchasers or somebody that's given you money or has interacted with your brand in one way, shape, or form or the other, you want to create additional audiences based off of that. What that basically means is that you will be using that seed audience to actually expand it. And I have a couple of videos on how to create lookalike audiences. So if you search on my channel, how to create lookalike audiences, you will see those videos. But they're really, really, really powerful. Now, not only that, but as you can see here on screen, you used to be able to actually go ahead and select the countries that you want to target the lookalikes to. So let's say that you uploaded a list and you had a lot of people from different countries in that list. You could create a lookalike audience based off of people that live in the US and based off of people that live in Canada or in South America or in different places. Nowadays, what Facebook is doing is to get rid of all of that stuff when it comes to country level lookalike audiences. So basically, if you think about it, every lookalike audience that you're creating becomes a worldwide lookalike audience. That means that you're targeting everyone that has anything to do with the people that you're uploading to Facebook at a worldwide level. Now, this is kind of cool because it allows you to target a lot more people, but you need to make sure that you target and that you refine your ad sets at the ad set level. So when you're running your ads, you want to make sure that you're selecting the proper countries. Otherwise, you will be targeting everyone in the world. Sometimes it works, but if you're starting out, it's better to just start with a couple countries. So that is tip number 1. Start using lookalike audiences because the algorithm has become better and better and more intelligent as we go by. So tip number 2 is to use something called automated advanced matching. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up in a minute, but it's really important that you turn that on if it's off on your ads. And basically what Facebook will do is based off of the data that it collects throughout your funnel, it will add more data to your audiences. So for instance, if you have your pixel installed, you might have the email from that person or the name from that person and even how much money they have spent. With automatic advanced matching, what Facebook is doing is actually putting in more data on your pixel and your audiences, so your audiences become better and better. And by default, unless you're creating your ad account and your pixel right now, by default, for most of the accounts, it's switched off. So let's jump into the computer. I'm going to share with you guys how to set it all up so that you're actually collecting all of that data. All right, guys. So on this video, I want to share with you guys how you can set it up, the automated advanced matching, which is something that if you create a new ad account or a new pixel, it will, on some cases, it would turn on by default, but in some cases it won't. All right. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to business.facebook.com and go to your business manager right here. This is one of my business manager. And then what you want to do is to go to events manager, and this will basically open your pixel. So I already have an ad account open right here. So I'm going to go in the business tool menu and events manager. And by the way, you might see this a little bit different on your ad account or on your business manager, or if you're watching this like 3 months from now or even a week from now, it might be a little bit different. All right. So you want to go to your pixel. In this case, let me use this, which is, my test pixel, let's say. And you're going to select that pixel right there. And then what you want to do is you go to settings right here. So you click there and then you scroll down. And then as you can see here, it says automatic advanced matching. You want to turn this on. What basically does is use information your customers have provided to your business, like email, address, phone number, to match your website visitors to people on Facebook. So right now, Facebook is tracking all the way from people clicking on your ad, all the way to what's going on Facebook and matching them to the data that you have. All right. So if they provide phone numbers, if they provide emails and whatnot, it creates a whole ecosystem, which is pretty cool. So if you click here, show options, you can actually select what type of data to share with Facebook, and Facebook will share with you, which is email, gender, city, first name, last name, phone number. All right. So this basically how you do it is pretty simple, actually. So you want to go again to your settings on your pixel, and here you have data sources, which are your pixels right here. And you want to turn this on, and this will start making your ads better. Again, this is not automatic, meaning on some cases you will find it on, in some cases you will find it off. But the main point is this. The main point is that once you turn it on, you will see how your ads start performing a little bit better. So there you have it, 2 quick tips that you can use today to actually make your Facebook ads better. Number 1, start using lookalike audiences more and more and more. You can create lookalike audiences of people that visit your website, out of people that, leave an email with your company in case you're offering a free lead magnet or a PDF or whatever. Even you can create lookalike audiences of people that have been watching your videos. So if I upload this video, and if I want to target everyone that watches most of the video, like 95% of the video, I can actually create a lookalike audience out of that. So use them more, and remember to always target your desired country at the ad set level. Now, tip number 2 is really easy. It's just a button, okay? Facebook has it there, so go ahead and use it, because it will allow you to create better quality audiences, which will in turn, if your product is good and your ads are good, will yield better results for you. So there you have it, 2 quick tips. If you have any additional questions, if your Facebook ads are not working, if they're not delivering, if they're getting disapproval, whatever, just let me know in the comments below, okay, what you want to hear more about. And also make sure that you join the free Facebook group. It's 100% for free. We have a lot of good stuff in there, templates, a lot of good stuff. Trust me. Go ahead, join, it's free. Just 3 quick questions that I ask you just to know how to serve you better. And I go live from time to time on that Facebook group. I know that you guys don't want to see me, but anyways, I go live so that I can, push more value down your guys' throat, which is kind of weird and cool at the same time. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this, if you're into marketing and stuff, hit the subscribe button. I do not know how it works. I'm not a YouTuber, but I'm guessing there is a subscribe button, so hit that button. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.